Good morning. Now in this class, we shall see about a ray, a geometrical concept, ray. So what is a ray? A ray is also a part of a line. It will have one end point. It will have one end point, and the other end, in whatever the direction it's going, it is a straight path, and in the other end, it can extend endlessly. So we know how to name a point, and I'm going to name this point as A. And how are we going to call this? How are we going to represent this particular ray? So in order to do that, select any other point on the ray and name it with name it. So here I am going to name it as B. Now what are we going to call our ray as? We can simply call this is a ray AB. Is there any symbol for this one? Is there any symbol to represent this ray? Yes, it is there. The symbol to represent a ray is just an arrow above the points. So here A is going to be the fixed end point and B is a point that is present on the ray. So now let us make a comparison between this ray, line and a line segment. So what is the difference between all these three? We'll just have a quick recap. So when it comes to a line, it will have no endpoints. It will have no endpoints and no length, no fixed length. And the symbol used to represent a line. So what is the symbol used to represent a line? A slipping line followed by both the ends with arrows. So this is the symbol used to represent a line. Now next coming to a line segment. A line segment will have two endpoints. Two endpoints and it will have a fixed length. It will have a fixed length. Or we can say that we can measure the length of a line segment, whereas in line it is not possible. And what is the symbol to represent this? What is the symbol to represent this line segment? It is simply a bar. It is simply a bar. This is the symbol used to represent a line segment. And next one we are having it as ray. So what is this ray? Ray is also a part of line, just like your line segment. But the difference between a line segment and a ray is, ray will have one end point. It will have only one end point, or we can say that one starting point will be there for a ray. And will a ray have a fixed length? No, it can't have a fixed length. Why it will not have a fixed length? Because on the other direction, as it is having only one end point, on the other direction it can extend endlessly. So a ray will not have any fixed length. And what is the symbol used to represent a ray? So the symbol used to represent a ray is this one. Just a slipping line followed by an arrow. So these are the main points, main concepts in our basic geometrical ideas, which will frame the remaining concepts and theories. So now we can just come to a conclusion that line segment and ray, these both are a part of a line, and line is nothing but a collection of points. Line is nothing but a straight path formed with a collection of points.